Hello, everyone. My name is Ben, and I am 5 years old. Today, I want to tell you about something that happened when I visited my grandpa. It was one of the scariest nights of my life, but everything ended well in the end. My grandpa lives in a small village with a beautiful little farm. The air is always fresh, and the birds sing every morning. I love going there because I can run around, play outside, and spend time with Grandpa. My favorite animal on the farm is his big brown cow. It is gentle, friendly, and very smart. Every morning I help Grandpa feed the cow, and sometimes I gave it fresh grass with my own hands. I love that cow very much. One evening, we had a delicious dinner together. Grandpa told funny stories, and everyone laughed. After dinner, we watched television for a little while. Then we said goodnight and went to bed. The village became very quiet, and the sky was full of bright stars. Everything seemed peaceful. In the middle of the night, I suddenly heard a strange sound outside the house. At first, I thought it was just the wind. But the noise came again. I slowly got out of bed and looked through the window. Then I saw something that made me very scared. A man was quietly pulling Grandpa's brown cow away from the farm. I shouted as loudly as I could. "Grandpa! Grandpa! Someone is stealing our cow!" Grandpa woke up immediately and ran outside. My dad also rushed out of the house. The thief heard us and started running. The cow followed him because he was holding a rope. I wanted to help my family, so I ran after them. I thought I could catch the thief too, but it was very dark outside, and I could not see the road clearly. I was running too fast and did not notice a rock on the ground. Suddenly, I tripped and fell hard. My leg hurt so much that I started crying. My mom and dad quickly came back to help me. Grandpa kept chasing the thief for a short time, but he could not catch him. My parents carried me to the car and drove me to the hospital. I was frightened, but the doctor smiled kindly and checked my leg. After looking carefully, he said that nothing was broken. I only had a bad bruise and needed to rest for a few days. I felt much better after hearing that. While I was resting at the hospital, Grandpa called the police and told them everything that had happened. The police arrived quickly and began searching for the thief. Early the next morning, they found him hiding not from the village. They also rescued Grandpa's brown cow and brought it safely back home. When I returned to Grandpa's house, I was so happy to see the cow again. Grandpa gave me a big hug, and everyone smiled. That night taught me an important lesson. It is good to be brave, but it is also important to stay safe and let adults handle dangerous situations. I will always remember that night, and every time I visit Grandpa now, I smile when I see our lovely brown cow waiting for me. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Goodbye.